Hey, what's up guys? Archie Cole here again, back with another awesome video for you guys. Today we are going to be teaching you how to replace your brake. This could be for many reasons. You may have snapped your brake's wearing away, or you just generally want to tighten up your brake because it's making some awful rattling noise. We have got you covered, and that is what we're going to go through today, is how to replace / tighten up your brake. Okay, so make sure you have the right tools with you when replacing your brake. For instance, I have a 2mm Allen key to go with the brake that I'm uninstalling and then reinstalling. I have a Stanley blade to cut around the grip tape to get rid of that. Make sure you get your parents' consent or even get them to do it for you for this thing, because sharp objects can hurt. We're going to use the new brake along with the bolts already, and we have got the LOCTITE just to make sure the bolts don't go anywhere once we put them in. So let's get right into the build. And that is how you replace your brake or even just tighten it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you too. If you want to know anything else about a scooter, how to replace any other part, or even just a genuine question, make sure you comment down below and make sure you follow all of our social medias so that you do not miss an upload from us. I'm Archie Cole, it's been an awesome time here. Peace out.